What's up guys, here we are in a new video. This video is likely for YouTubers but not for all YouTubers. I'm going to teach you how to shoot good videos, both A-roll and B-roll like a professional. So a lot of people have been learning how to shoot videos like a professional. So this video will teach you how to shoot good videos like a professional. But before we dive into a B-roll, let's talk about the A-roll. When you want to have a good video, a professional video that will look very good, like those MKBHD, the Chevron Salmon, the Unbox Therapy and so on, you need a very clean background. You need a background that will have a mini setup, or else the background have to be neat. Secondly, you'll have to get a lens that focus. A lens that have autofocus or manual focus. You have to get a lens. And thirdly, you have to get a very clear camera and a very good lighting. Before we jump into a B-roll, I want to tell you one thing on A-roll. You must have a stabilized video in A-roll, because A-roll are very important. Not likely, we won't say it's very important than B-roll, because B-rolls are also important. So if you have all these things I told you earlier and make the video great, make your A-roll great, then you are going to jump to B-roll, so that I will teach you how to shoot very great B-rolls. So first thing you need in B-roll, you need to clear your table. I'm going to teach you some shots, some good shots you'll get in your B-roll, like the levitating phone trick, the floating phone, and all B-rolls. There are some B-rolls which you will be surprised, like how all these professional YouTubers do this. It's not a magic or anything. They just use their exposure and do very good things. So I'm also going to teach you some, because I haven't know all about how they shoot their videos. So I will teach you the ones I know, so that you will do that also and make your videos great. So here we are, and I want to show you the first trick. If you want to get a good thumbnail or a good video or a good shot, you have to do the floating phone trick, which you get something like this, which is thin. Then you put your phone at the top here. Let me show you a shot I will get with this. So I've shown you the first thing, and the second thing is the levitating phone trick, which you are seeing on the screen now, and I have edited this, so I don't have much time to show you how to edit this. When we are going to the next one, let me show you the shot I will get with this. You gotta put something like this here, then make the phone stand. That's kind of difficult, but you have to do it. So here it is. Let me show you the shot I will get with this. So this also a good shot you can get using this. So as you can see, using this, the picture look like the phone is standing on its own. So the next thing here, if you want to get a good B-roll, you have to clear the table, get something like this or a magazine, put it here. And then if you are reviewing a phone, so this is the clip showing like I'm reviewing a phone using those magazines, but I'm not actually reviewing a phone. I'm just showing you the shot I can get with this. So we are done with this one, showing you how to use cardboards, magazines or books that have good designs to beautify your B-roll. And I'm going to show you what to do next. The next thing you have to do, you have to get something related to tech. If you are a tech reviewer, something like this, something that works with tech, like something like this. You have to get something like this to beautify your clip. If you have something like this, so you have to get something like this which are related to tech. Let me just set it up and show you how the B-roll will go. So here we are, as you are seeing the B-roll, and I'm sure this looks good. So you can use this or do something like this to beautify your B-roll. So let's go to the next one. And I will also advise you to buy a puzzle. A puzzle which have different colors. That also beautifies B-roll, and you can buy something like cardboard papers or different colored papers that will also beautify your B-roll. So let's go to the next one. So this is also a good shot you can get for your B-roll. So this all, and the last thing, make sure if you want a good B-roll, you should shoot at 4K video resolution, so that the video will look good. I think we are done. So thanks for watching. I hope you get something from the video. Which will make you have a great video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and meet us on the next one. Peace.